In this tutorial we will show you how to generate paging controls from a page database query using Bootstrap for Dynamic Paging Generator. We already created a dynamic table on our page. Its source is a page query, which we set up in Server Connect. Let's switch back to App Connect panel. The first thing we are going to do now is to set up a query parameter, which will store our current page in the URL, so on page refresh the paging state doesn't get lost. This is an optional step, which requires the App Connect State Management extension. You can skip it if you don't want to store the paging state in the URL. Click the Add New Component button. Open the State Management menu and select Query Manager. Then define the query parameters. Click the Add New button and add new variable. We call it offset, and click the Save button. Now, select the Server Connect component with a page database query used to display data on the page. And under Input Parameters, click the Dynamic Data Picker for the offset parameter. Then, select the query parameter named offset, which we just created, and click the Select button. Now, let's set up the paging. Select where you'd like to insert the paging controls. Select Insert Child. Open the Generators menu and select Paging Generator. First, select the paging source. This should be set to Page Server Action. Then, select your data source. Under the Server Connect component, Data, select your page query. Set up the appearance options, such as paging button size, number of outer and adjacent links, show or hide previous and next buttons. Enable the State Manager option and select the Query Manager, which we created earlier. Then, select the query parameter, which we named offset, in the Offset Parameter dropdown. Click OK, and you are done. You can edit the paging options by clicking the Run button under the Generators section. Let's preview the results. You can see how easy it is to browse through 8,000 records using the paging options. The page number is stored in the URL, so on refresh it does not get lost. That's how easy it is to generate paging for your data using Bootstrap for Dynamic Paging Generator.